Okay, this will be a video chart on CVSL. Had some questions on this and wanted to finally get around to it. Pullback day today, but the chart is still hanging in there, and I'll explain what I mean by that in a little bit. But the main questions I kind of pretty much got were, is the chart dead? Is this pullback day the end of the world and stuff like that? And I don't know if it is or not, but according to the chart, all we can really do is point out some levels that, if this move is going to continue to be strong, need to hold, and we already have a good example of that. So that's kind of right where we'll start. The first example just being down here. If we look when the price or when the chart has initially started to show some signs of life, you had this big volume come in and the price went off. And then the question really became, was this just a one-day wonder, or was there some more substance behind it? And the easy way to kind of look at that was, well, if it is a true move, then this 0.004 being the support level should be able to hold strong on any sort of pullback. Sure enough, here was a pullback. It came on low volume, and you can see that, sure, it was a nasty little pullback there, but these support levels did hold. It ended up putting in a higher low, and then the results were very bullish. Now moving into today's action, same exact principle holds true. The only difference being the key level of support that we want to see hold is going to be this orange line right there, which is the 200-day simple moving average. Right now it looks like it's valued at 0.01, slightly below there. I guess 0.0098 if you want to be really nitpicky. But bottom line, this is the new level that we want to see hold. There's nothing wrong with pullbacks as long as these support levels hold. Once more, case in point right here, there was a pullback. It put in a higher low. And then this is what happened, on the high volume explosion. Same exact concept. So yes, if you're a day trader and you're bought up here, yeah, things are looking pretty rough. But for the overall chart, this is the level that we want to see hold in terms of support. So right here, the 200-day simple moving average is going to be the key level of support. Now in terms of resistance, the main one that the bulls did get above today but couldn't quite maintain it. And since we're looking at the daily chart, we care about where the closes are. So this is technically still a level of resistance. It's just simply this previous high from back over here, which is valued at 0.017. Like I said, the price did intraday get above it, but wasn't able to close above it. So it is still a resistance level. So 0.017 is going to be the next key level of resistance that you want to see some closes get above. But for the time being, if this pullback does continue, we want to make sure volume continues to drop off. But more importantly, that level holds. And you can actually already see once, which I just noticed, the price already did pull back, and you can see right here the bears try to push down below it, but the 200-day has actually already held once as support. So as long as that continues to happen going forward, a higher low is going to be able to be put in, and then the chart will remain in its uptrend that it has started to get underway. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CVSL. Thanks for listening.